Okay, is this recording? Yes, it's recording and you can see it. Okay, couple seconds in. Hello, my name is Ryan. This is take 3. Today we're gonna play Rain World. It's a very niche game, a very unfair, difficult game, but it's a good game. So I'm gonna play it. Play as a cat. I'm gonna play as a cat. Just a normal random cat. Trying to live life. Shit. Basically, it's been a long time since I made a YouTube video. Been a year. But I'm back at it. In Ramadan. This game basically, you have to send an item to a character called Mr. Moon. She's an important character, I guess. That's an enemy. Very dangerous one. Just killed an enemy. I hope you can see this now. It's very dangerous. It's very dangerous, but it's actually very fun. So first, a little bit stuck here. Very difficult game and it's a very unfair game. Yeah, chased by a bunch of enemies here. The enemy has great AI. It's not just like a set of movements. They actually have their own brains, so it's very cool, like an ecosystem. Sure. My god, I'm just stuck in. Basically, this character's thing, you can spawn weapons, not really powerful ones, but it's enough. It's the hardest character, and I'm dead because the screen is shit. Yeah, look at this guy. Okay. Very difficult game. It's not a difficult game. It's really easy actually. It's just unfair. That's it. That's the problem. Tedious and unfair. Just like life. Maybe it's still recording. Yes. I hope you can see this. Because if it doesn't, I'm gonna cry. Screen is too bright sometimes. Over here. This game is just about survival, and you can survive like being aggressive, just trying to outlast everything. It's a unique game. It's not a game where just you build up. The progress is like, again, it's very fucking, what the fuck. I'm dying a lot because I haven't played a lot in probably like play a lot lately, and it's just that I'm too afraid for whatever reason. I'm nervous for whatever reason. I hope you can hear me because the audio and the visual sucks ass, but so I'm gonna focus now. I'm still gonna talk true, play true. It's like I panic. Like the problem is me. 100 hours and I still learn jack shit. Maybe I should make it. It's just very hard to focus. Very okay. Now this part. Surprise! I killed him. Basically, this game is a system and shit. Focus. Shit, man. What the hell? Oh god. I've been chased by everything, bro. What if this is chaos? Oh no. You guys gonna chase me here as well. Oh my goodness. How many goddamn enemies is in here, bro? It's more than 5,000. Can I just leave? For God's sake. Oh my god, this is what, 10,000. I can't. What is it trying to do? What am I? Okay, let's get through there. Let's be fine. Oh my god. Let's go. Get wrecked, man. Piece of garbage. Piece of garbage. Killed me last time. Still gonna be dangerous. The thing I don't like about this game is that it doesn't have like a follow camera. Like the camera doesn't follow you, which means that there's a high chance there's just gonna be a creature hiding behind off screen. It just sucks, man. Like, that's not even. It's just dumb. It's not even. Let's go get wrecked, bro. Okay, that's a chieftain shot scavenger. Kill those scavengers in here. Got to our first hibernation spot. Very nice. Then I get the pearl now. If I don't, well, that's fine. Yeah, I got the pearl. Got the red pearl. Before I get to the hibernation spot, I gotta check. already bad guys around. There's already bad guys out there. I hope you can hear me. Okay. This is very good. Okay, so got that guy. So oh my god, what the hell? Just came out of nowhere. Entire group just came out of nowhere. Yeah, I got out of it. I need to be more like feared, like actually murderous. That's just unfair. Oh my god. No, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. It's impulse. Oh no. Oh hell no. Why is there cheating scavengers? They're everywhere. Like, I don't see them in any other campaign. I'm supposed to go to the left. Oh my god. Oh no. Okay. hider. Don't worry, got it covered. Damn, look at that. Very easy. It's just unfair. I got the pro. Let's go. How many is it? Oh, it's just 3. Nice. We're gonna play until we get a hibernation spot in this area, this new area. Oh, I forgot to tell the character's name I'm playing is Spearmaster. I hope you can hear me again. I can see this right now. Yeah. Okay. This area is also difficult in hard mode. This oh god. It's the north. Nice. Okay. Nice. Now he's dead. Very nice. Smooth criminal. Okay. That's all I got. I'm gonna quit now. Okay, bye. Wait.